landing that first big project. This is where we put all this theory into practice. The real game starts right now. And here it is, your 5-step playbook. Super simple, super actionable. First, don't go chasing after the giant construction companies. Start local. Find those small to mid-sized sites. Second, be prepared. Have a portfolio, get some simple business cards, bring samples. Third, nail your pitch. Don't talk about colors, talk about what they care about: speed, quality, and cost control. Fourth, price with those packages we talked about, not just the lowest rate. And fifth, from the very first minute, focus on building trust. On time, clean site, quality work.
Now, if you really want to get your foot in the door, this is your secret weapon. It's called the sample flat strategy. Here's how it works. You offer to paint one flat or even just one wall at a huge discount, or maybe even for free. Why? Because it's a no-brainer for the builder. It takes all the risk off their shoulders and lets you prove just how good you are. It's the ultimate power move to build instant trust.
So, you've done it. You landed the first project, awesome. But now the mission changes. It's not about getting the job anymore. It's about becoming so indispensable that they never even think of calling anyone else. Let's talk about how you go from being a painter to being their go-to partner.
Okay, you know this is going to happen. The builder says your price is a little high. What do you say? You say this, word for word. I won't compromise on material or finishing quality. That's why my work lasts longer and looks better. See how powerful that is? You're not apologizing, you're not haggling, you're explaining your value and positioning yourself as the quality expert.
Want some smart tricks to really stand out? Here you go. Offer a speed guarantee, finish in X days, or they get a discount. It shows you're serious. Make a clean work promise. Oh man, builders hate messy workers. This is a huge win. Mention you use well-known brands. It builds instant credibility. And 2 non-negotiables. Always, always get a 20-30% advance and get everything in writing, even if it's just on WhatsApp. This isn't just professional, it's smart.
All right, you've cracked the code. You're a pro partner. You're getting repeat business. Now, let's talk about the big leagues. Let's talk about scaling. How do we take this from a one-person show to a real company that's managing multiple projects at once?
Let's start with a number, 40,000 rupees. That's what you can potentially profit, on average, from just one single flat. When that number sinks in, you start to realize something. Growing this business isn't some kind of magic trick. It's just simple math. And here's what that math looks like on your path to earning 5 to 10 lakh a month. You do the project math, maybe that's 10 flats a month plus one big building exterior. But wait, how do you handle all that? Simple.